Now, ever since Liam got his new Nerf gun, he's like disappeared. Where did he go anyway? Stop it! Woo! Okay, I'm out of this. Boys are spending their allowance. They're going to get themselves something kind of on the pricey side. Logan, you want to show off your expensive purchase? No way, you are not getting a Porsche. Not a chance. I think you guys might be a little bit big for the Porsche.
No, this is okay for me.
You can afford, you know, $150,000?
No, it's not. It's only...
That's what Porsches cost. You really think a Cadillac is any better, Logan? Come on, you can't afford that. Your allowance doesn't pay you enough for the insurance. Liam's looking at getting the matching pink Cadillac because it's cute. He can take his girlfriend for rides in it. So much weaponry, so little time.
So many choices.
Too many choices. How many ways you can shoot your brother? Wait, and shoot your dad. I don't think I like this idea.
You have like the biggest, most hurtful one? Hey!
Like a rhino, 7,000 shots per second, puts a hole in any human.
Hey Dad, why don't we get this one? It fires 5 darts per second.
Yeah.
5 darts per second.
I'm getting a little bit nervous about this. Okay, what are you getting, Liam?
This. Same price as that other one that I returned.
Just returned one, got this one on half price. Hail fire so he can try to hit me. Okay, we got hail fire.
Nerf Gun.
7,000 shots.
Highest capacity Nerf blaster.
Ever.
3, 4, not true.
Gonna punch holes in Logan and I. Yeah, it's gonna be terrible.
8. It has 8 magazines.
It's crazy. Open it. Okay. Fully challenged. What are you doing? Liam. Nerf.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Logan, can you hold the box down? And then you guys pull it out together.
Go, go, go. Go.
Whoa. Then if you want it, you can actually be part of this and get 4 AA batteries and you can help load it up. And it's powered.
Ooh. I guess he's on either side.
And how's it handle? Feels good? They look almost like a dart.
Wait a minute. They don't have enough.
Ah, they have 4. That's why they have the upgrade package.
Oh, it's like magnetic.
Yeah, it's just called weight. There you go. You're good. Okay, now crank it again. Go to the next one more cartridge, and then we'll reload. He hasn't shot once.
Okay.
He let you shoot? What do you say?
Thank you.
Okay, now shoot Liam. I want to get it coming outside. Shoot him. Go, go, go. Go, go. Oh, they're so fast, I can barely see him. Now, ever since Liam got his new Nerf gun, he's like disappeared. Where did he go anyway? Stop it! Woo! Okay, I'm out of here. Oh. Revenge will be sweet and swift.